as part of our effort to reach out and provide more opportunities for youth, um, you know that we've had to make hard choices in our community centers and community center hours. And last year, as part of the budget cycle, we did a restructuring. We redid the management structure so we could manage multiple community centers at the same time. And that gave us management savings. We were also able to focus on changing from a cookie cutter approach to when community centers were open, to making it that they would be open more when they were needed. But we also did another thing with it, which is we changed from we had high priority tier 1 sites, then a middle priority and a lower priority site in a way to try to serve as a region. When I go to town halls, though, I hear, particularly from younger people, how important the community centers are. And as we face issues with crime and public safety and gun violence, you know, that community centers are a safe place. And it's a place for kids to engage in programming that can help them deal with the stresses and challenges they face in their daily lives. So I asked the Parks Department to work with the Youth Violence Prevention Initiative and our budget office, and we can only make some modest increases in hours this year. We can't do an across-the-board increase. Say a modest increase in hours targeted at the community centers that work most closely with the Youth Violence Prevention Initiative and where there's the greatest opportunity to reach youth at risk. And we looked at data as well to get an understanding of what those community centers would be. So we are going to add 10 additional operating hours at each of 7 community centers that serve at-risk youth. And the goal of this is to improve public safety by providing at-risk youth with additional safe outlets outside of school hours. The community centers slated for expanded hours are Delridge, Miller, South Park, Yesler, Ballard, Northgate Community Center, and, of course, why we're here today, Van Asselt. So it's a pleasure to be able to announce this.